Okay, so for the solving equations part 2, numbers 6 and 7 are the same type of question, so this covers both. Or if you're in the full practice exam, it's 31 and 32. So for these equations, you have to decide, is there no solution? Is there a solution? Or is every single possible number a solution? Now these are the situations, it's a special case. And these are the special cases where if you end up with the variable disappearing, or variable is eliminated, then you have a special case. Once the variable is eliminated, if you get the number equaling itself, that's where it's many solutions. If you get a number and it does not equal itself, that's where the answer was no solution. Okay, so I actually solved this first equation for you. So take a second, pause if you need to, and look through my work. But I'll walk you through it. So first I added the opposite to get to this step. Then I distributed my 2 here and my -3 here. Once I distributed, then I combined like terms. On the left-hand side, I combined my 2w with -5w, and I got -3w. Then we solved. You want your variables on one side, constants on the other side. Once I do that, when I get all my variables together, if I want to eliminate -3w, I add +3w, which eliminates my w's on the left, but it also eliminates the w's on the right. And what happens is I end up with -6 equals -9. That's not possible, so that means there's no solution. If after solving the equation I got w equals a number, that's when I would have filled in this section. If I had gotten a number equaling itself, so in this case, if I had gotten -6 equals -6, then it would be all real numbers. Okay, so depending on how your answer looks, is how you'll choose this. A good way to remember is if the variable disappears and it's not possible for what happened to happen, like when you get to -6 equals -9, if you look at that and go, that's not possible. It's very strange. It makes no sense. All those negative thoughts you have about that answer you got is the negative choice, no solution. If I got a number equaling itself, that means it's always going to equal. No matter what number you pick, you'll always have the left side equal the right side, no matter what number. That would be all real numbers. Okay, so you have to solve that big equation first and then decide what type of answer you'll get.